Hello YouTube. So thanks for coming back to the channel. Next little project is to put the Sharkroads exhaust on. I've already done the Ivan tune. It's been tuned with the fact that the Sharkroads are on, but I still have the stock exhaust on. This is going to be for a little comparison for the sound. As you can see, bike's way too quiet even when you rev it up. I mean, it's got a little bit of sound to it, but we're hoping for something like I have here, which is my Sporty, which has Vans Hines on it. Shut that off because my neighbors hate me already. So that's the hope. We'll see how it turns out, and I'll post after it's been completed, as there's already many videos of people installing the Sharkroads. So what I'll do is just after it's on, I'll show you the sound difference. All right, so before I put the pipe on, I figured this would be interesting. I mean, look at the size difference between these two. It's about 3. This is about 1.5 inches. You can't see through it. This one you can see all the way through the Sharkroads. So if this thing isn't much louder, I have no idea why. It's kind of crazy. So now they have the Sharkroads pipes on with the Ivan tune. It does run better. The bike runs cool. It's been really hot, and I get anywhere from halfway to whatever, 3/4 temperature wise, where it would have gone almost to overheating. As far as the decel, it still does exist, but with the pipes on, it's very loud. It's almost like when a truck uses its air brakes when it downshifts. So when you decel, it doesn't decel quickly. It's over time, and sometimes when you're in 3rd gear, when you let off the gas and just let it bomb down, it starts popping a little bit, which is kind of cool. I kind of like that. It's loud, obnoxious, and you know, that's how we do it. So I could definitely recommend the Ivan tune. Bike is fast. I've hit 100 miles an hour, no problem on this bike. And it's a nice ride, very comfy and very loud now, which is good because it probably saved my life a couple times. Loud pipe save lives. Ivan tune, thumbs up.